Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an indicator light lens on your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Slide the appropriate indicator light off of the lens, if still intact. Remove the old lens. Install the new indicator light lens by inserting it through the front of the control panel. Slide the indicator light onto the new lens. Realign the access panel by placing the panel tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread and tighten the screws. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.